Important steps to take immediately after you've been in a motor vehicle accident. So first, assess your injuries and the injuries of your passenger and make sure that you seek immediate care if your injury is an emergency. Call 911 and request an ambulance for yourself, your passenger, or the other party. Next, make sure that you're able to move your vehicle to a safe location. Normally, accidents occur in the flow of traffic, and therefore you should take measures to move out of a dangerous location. If your vehicle is still functioning, drive your vehicle to the shoulder of the road or find a place to safely park. Communicate with the other party and make sure that they do the same. After you've moved out of traffic, exchange contact information with the other party. You need to request their name, phone number, address, and a copy of their insurance information. Use your mobile phone. Take pictures of the other party's driver's license, insurance information, and license plate on their vehicle. If you don't have a camera, then make sure you carefully write down their information. It's very important to obtain their insurance information at the scene. You can share this same information with the other party, but both of you have this legal obligation to share this information with each other immediately at the scene. So most importantly, you just want to take pictures of any property damage, any significant injuries, anything that is relevant potentially in the future. So next, look for witnesses. Maybe someone saw the accident, and if they've pulled over, make sure you gather their information, phone number, email, address, anything that they have. And then call the police if you require their assistance or if the other driver is not cooperating. Calling the police can be helpful to establish the liability of the other party. The police officer may issue a citation for traffic violations or for failure to provide insurance information. And then you're always welcome to call us at Olsen Danes, and we will be there to assist you and offer you immediate guidance. After you've obtained the information from the other driver at the scene, now it's critical that you get into urgent care. Any primary care physician or chiropractic care for that matter. But it's really important that in a pretty immediate time frame, you're going to get into some clinic because that's going to start your medical record. Later, when you're at home and you're sort of gathering yourself from the earlier incident, you're going to want to go on the DMV online and file an accident report, normally within 48 hours, but it's not absolutely necessary. But you do want to do that, and you probably better to overestimate your damages because at this point in time, you don't really know what it is, but you know that it's got to be higher than the $2,500 threshold that the DMV has. So most importantly, we want to ensure that you receive the immediate health care necessary to begin treating your injuries. It's also critical to establish the timeline that you're seeking health care after the accident, and this helps prove that your injuries are significant. A long period of time elapsing between the accident and health care can suggest that your injuries were not significant, and the insurance adjuster will question the veracity of your claim. After hundreds of cases similar to yours, I can tell you that people who retain attorneys shortly after their accident recover significantly higher settlements than people who choose not to obtain legal representation. The insurance system is designed to be tedious and requires diligence and organization to successfully navigate through the claims process. This process is designed to be difficult for the average person. Quite simply, the insurance companies want you to struggle. They want you to fail to gather all the information. They're hoping that at some point you lose patience and maybe eventually miss the statute of limitations. And that should be mentioned that a statute of limitations means that you have 2 years from the date of the injury to resolve or bring a claim. So there is a timeline on this. The good news is that our team at Olsen Danes Personal Injury Department loves helping our clients manage the claims process. What most people find tedious and frustrating, we actually enjoy. There is nothing more satisfying than helping our clients get a fair settlement for the damages and injuries they've sustained. With over 35 years experience, our staff knows every angle, every pitfall, every aspect of your claim, and we know what it is worth. Let us fight for your rights. Let us maximize your settlement, and let us take on the tedious process so you can focus on your health, your family, your career, and allow you to recover without the burden and stress of pursuing your insurance claim. We are standing by to assist you, and we can offer free legal advice to make sure that you do everything you need to do in order to maximize your recovery. Thank you.